to another recipe mga kakusina, and today we will be making chicken with mushrooms. For the ingredients, kailangan po natin ng 1 kilo of chicken, and I'm using legs and thigh parts. We will also need fish sauce. Now, imamarinate po natin yung ating chicken with 1 tablespoon of fish sauce for 30 minutes. For other ingredients, you will also need 4 cloves of garlic finely chopped, 1 small shallot sliced, and for our mushrooms, we will use 2 kinds shiitake mushrooms na nabibili ninyo ito dry sa grocery, and you soak it in water overnight para lumambot. And kagamit din tayo ng 1 small can of whole button mushrooms. We would also need 1 can of cream of mushroom soup, 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 tablespoon star garlic para malinamnam, 1 Knorr chicken cube, and ground black pepper and salt to taste. Depende sa inyong panlasa. Now, slice na natin yung mushrooms. Tinatanggal ko po yung stem kasi medyo matigas po siya na part. Ang kinakain lang po namin dito ay yung head ng mushrooms. Now, slice it the way that you want it. Kung gusto nyo yun ng chop, pero ako mas gusto ko meron siyang bite-sized pieces. I'm gonna heat up oil in my pan. And iba-brown natin yung ating marinated chicken in fish sauce. Okay, when we say browning, isasangkot siya natin yung ating manok para po mawala yung pagkalansa niya. And at the same time, magbibigay po ito ng napakagandang kulay sa ating chicken with mushrooms dish. Kapag brown na po lahat ng ating chicken, lightly brown, we're gonna set this aside and sisimulan na po natin magisa ng ating mushrooms. Now, hindi na natin babawasan ng mantika. We're just gonna add our 1 tablespoon of butter and 1 tablespoon of star garlic. And dito na po natin igigisa yung ating bawang. And our shallots. Next up, we're gonna add our shiitake mushrooms. Medyo matagal-tagal lutuin ito guys. So, inuna ko muna ito. And ang mushrooms kasi, they absorb flavor. And palalambutin natin ito with 2 cups of water and a cube of Knorr chicken. Now, once mag-start na mag-boil yung ating mushrooms, we're gonna add the chicken back. And dito na natin siya tuluyang lulutuin para mapalambot natin yung ating manok. So at this point, we're gonna start seasoning with black pepper. We're gonna let this simmer for a bit. Cover it. And then after probably 3 to 5 minutes, we can then add our cream of mushroom soup. Ito yung magpapalapot para maging saucy yung ating chicken with mushrooms dish. Now, wag natin sayangin yung ating cream of mushroom soup. Simutin natin by adding water to the can and isama na natin yan. We're gonna then add lastly our button mushrooms and then season it with salt according to your taste. Napakukuluan na lang natin to hanggang sa lumapot na yung ating sauce. So there you have it mga kakusina, ang ating chicken with mushrooms here at the Cucinera at its finest. At sana'y nagustuhan nyo ang ating original recipe.